Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix invoicing with Square, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your sales and invoicing. Click on the Invoices tab in the left-hand menu. Select the Create Invoice button to start a new invoice. Fill in the customer details, including their name and email address. Add the items or services you wish to bill for. Set the quantity and price for each item. Include any applicable discounts or taxes as necessary. Review the invoice for accuracy to ensure all information is correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Send Invoice button. If you need to make edits after sending, find the invoice in your list. Click on the invoice to open it, then select Edit. Make the required adjustments and resave the invoice. You can also mark the invoice as paid once you receive payment. If you are encountering issues, visit the Square support page. Utilize the FAQ section for common problems and solutions. Consider reaching out to Square's customer support for personal assistance. This process will help streamline your invoicing with Square effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.